Hi everyone, my name is Roxanne and today I'm gonna teach you how to do a supported handstand against the wall. This is to help you build strength in your arms, work on your alignment, and also gives you the confidence to help you go upside down on your hands. Shall we begin? Let's come into downward dog. Walk out your legs if you choose. Just stretch your hamstrings. Bring awareness to your bodies. Come forward to plank as you inhale. Downward dog as you exhale. Again, inhale, come forward to plank. Downward dog, exhale. Inhale, plank. Downward dog as you exhale. Inhale, come forward to plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Cobra inhale. Back to downward dog as you exhale. Drop your knees onto your mat, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Start to round your spine, build strength in your arms by learning how to push away from the ground and draw big circles with your shoulders just to warm up your wrists. Good, and reverse. Turn your fingers out and then in towards you. Walk your knees closer and take a seat. Stretch your forearms and your wrists. Pull the shoulders back. Keep the sides of your body and your neck long. And release. Turn your palms forward. Turn your fingers in towards you. Tops of your palms face up. Sit your bum towards your heels. Turn the eye of the elbow forward. Draw your shoulders back. Good. Lift the bum up. Release your hands. Okay. Step one is what I usually see people do, like holding the planks like that, not learning how to push away from the floor. So you're just gonna let your chest collapse without bending the elbows. Take an inhale breath. As you exhale, push and round your upper back. Not your entire chin towards the chest like you're doing cat. So you want to learn how to protract the shoulder blades. Meaning, see the space in between my shoulder blades now? You can see it, right? So when I protract my shoulder blades, I'm going to widen my shoulder blades so there is no gap in between my shoulder blades. Relax and push. Relax and push. Relax and push. So this is what you want to learn how to do, especially when you're going upside down. On your own, just practice a few times without banging the arms, without changing the position of your head. So you don't want your neck to move. You don't want your arms to bend. Grip your mat with your fingertips and keep pushing away from the ground. All right, one more. And relax. So you're gonna do this on your forearms as well. So when you're on your forearms, you want to think collapse and protract. Okay, exactly the same without moving your head. So do this a couple of times just to warm up your upper body here. All right, and release. So the next one, you want to come into your high plank, doing exactly the same. Now your knees are off the ground. You want to maintain your core engaged. So tailbone down, squeeze your thighs, hands under your shoulders, grip your mat. Same thing. Squeeze your legs, tighten your core. Do this without moving your neck or bending your arms. So can you feel like your scapular and your shoulders are working so much more? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Okay. Next thing you want to go to is the wall. So pull your mat against the wall if you haven't already. Okay, then once you're against the wall, you want to sit all the way back. Make sure your lower back is touching the wall, and look at where your feet are. Look at where your heels are. So where my heels are, it's where I'm going to place my palms. I'm going to place my heels of the palms at where my heels are. And I'm going to take my legs back into a mini downward dog position. So as I bend one leg up, I'm not going to reach up high. I'm going to bend this knee, so my right knee. I press the ball of the foot into the wall, extend the legs, and have both my feet together. A lot of people start walking the legs up and it puts them in this position, and that's what we don't want. So we want the legs to be parallel to the floor, legs engaged by pressing the thighs up, and we look in between the hands. So you don't want to be here, you want to learn how to push away from the floor, keeping your thighs, your arms, and your core engaged. And you rest. So once you're here, you want to keep the gaze in between your thumbs and do the same thing. So I relax my shoulders and I engage. So do that without bending the arms. So that will help you build the strength you need to get into your handstands. And then from here, you walk your legs one step back, hands one step back. Walk and walk. Walk and walk. So you eventually walk as close to the wall as you can. Squeeze the legs, relax, and push. Relax and push. So you want to do the same thing even though you are upside down. So if you want to start to get into a handstand, we often think about the final product, but we don't think about the steps to build the strength to get into your handstands. So eventually you might be kicking against the wall, but you probably end up in a very big back bend. So something maybe like that. And then you try to bring your feet off the wall, but like your shoulders are not engaged and you're just trying your luck to get your feet off the ground or off the wall, which long term doesn't really make much sense if you want to get upside down without the wall one day.